Solved problems. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Problem. Mr. Majid started business soon after completing the ICOM. Following are the transactions completed during the first month of June 2018. June 1. Commenced business with cash 850,000. Purchased merchandise for 200,000. Bought office furniture for 18,000 from Naeem and Company. June 7. Sold merchandise for 70,000. June 11. Paid insurance expenses 100. June 12. Sold goods to Mr. Akbar for 5,000. June 20. Purchased machinery for 100,000. June 23. Received 5,000 from Akbar. June 28. Paid salary 10,000. June 30. Mr. Majid withdraws 15,000 for personal use. Let us prepare journal entries for the transactions. In the books of Majid, journal, date, transaction, amount, journal entry, debit and credit. June 1. Commenced business with cash 850,000. Cash debit, Mr. Majid capital credit. June 3. Purchased merchandise 200,000. Purchases debit, cash credit. June 4. Bought office furniture from Naeem and Company 18,000. Office furniture debit, accounts payable credit. June 7. Sold merchandise 70,000. Debit cash, sales credit. June 11. Paid insurance expenses 100. Insurance expense debit, cash credit. June 12. Sold goods to Mr. Akbar 5,000. Accounts receivable debit, sales credit. June 20. Purchased machinery 100,000. Machinery debit, cash credit. June 23. Received from Akbar 5,000. Cash debit, accounts receivable credit. June 28. Paid salary 10,000. Salary expense debit, cash credit. June 30. Mr. Majid withdraw for personal use 15,000. Drawings debit, cash credit. Now let us post the transactions into accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. June 1. Commenced business with cash 850,000. Asset debit 850,000. Owner's equity add 850,000. June 3. Purchased merchandise 200,000. Asset deduct 200,000. Owner's equity deduct 200,000. June 4. Bought office furniture from Naeem and Company 18,000. Assets add 18,000. Liabilities add 18,000. June 7. Sold merchandise 70,000. Cash debit, sales credit. Assets add 70,000. Owner's equity add 70,000. June 11. Paid insurance 100. Insurance expense debtor to cash. Deduct assets 100. Owner's equity deduct 100 rupees. June 12. Sold goods to Mr. Akbar 5,000. Accounts receivable debtor to sales. Add assets 5,000. Add owner's equity 5,000. June 20. Purchased machinery. Machinery debtor to cash 100,000. There is no change because machinery and cash both are asset accounts. June 23. Received from Akbar 5,000. Cash debit, accounts receivable credit. There is no change in assets because cash and accounts receivable both are asset accounts. June 28. Paid salary 10,000. Salary expense debtor to cash. Assets deduct 10,000. Owner's equity deduct 10,000. June 30. Mr. Majid withdraw for personal use 15,000. Drawings debtor to cash. Asset deduct 15,000. Owner's equity deduct 15,000. Total assets 717,900. Total liabilities 18,000. Total owner's equity 699,900. Let us put the totals into accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. 717,900 is equal to 18,000 plus 699,900. Total assets is equal to 717,900 is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity 18,000 plus 699,900 is equal to 717,900. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.